Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave coming to you from New York, the epicenter of the COVID-19 pandemic. A question I've been asked a lot is, should I be cleaning my groceries? When I go to the store, I bring back groceries, or I have a shipment from Amazon or another store, should I be cleaning the box? So theoretically, the COVID-19 virus can live on surfaces. That's well known. And the duration or how long it can live on different surfaces can vary. So it can do very well on cold steel surfaces. It could last several days, but it tends to do poorly on cloth surfaces. So what's the answer? The answer is theoretically, it could be transmitted from packages and food. And if it makes you feel better, clean them. You can use an antibacterial wipe, you could spray them. But of course, when you're talking about fruits or vegetables, you don't want to wipe them down with antibacterial or alcohol-based products. You want to just use water. So at the end of the day, and always wash your hands, okay? So at the end of the day, yes, if it makes you feel better, clean your food and packages, and always, 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 after handling anything, wash your hands and avoid touching your face. Okay, guys, until next time, this is Dr. Dave.